My name is Steve Kenworthy. I live in Spar, Florida, and I own a business here in Ocala. It was kind of a strange turn of events. It was on a Sunday that I first started having a little problem. I took a couple aspirin. It was late in the evening, and I felt, quite a bit of pain over on the right side, but I'd been working outside at the farm and so forth, and I thought I'd pulled a muscle or something, So I took a couple aspirin and put the heating pad on, and things were pretty good. And came time to go to bed, and I went to bed, and about 30-45 minutes later I woke up and the pain was there again, so I said, well, let's just put the heating pad back on there. And I spent most of my night with the heating pad on and took a couple more aspirins about 4 hours later. And I said, I'm going to my doctor this morning. So I called the doctor from the house as soon as he was open at 8 o'clock, and he says, come right over. So I did. And I went over there, and they said to me, you don't look so good. And I said, well, I don't feel the greatest, that's for sure. And I drove myself to the doctor. They put the EKG machine on and said, you're having a heart attack. And I said, I think you got a problem with your machine. I'm not having a heart attack. And they said, oh, yes, you are, and we've already called 911. And from then, it was just, the ambulance ride and the emergency room, and it was quick and efficient service, and we got in there quickly, and they took me to the cath lab, and I'm just like 100% better today than I've been in a lot of years. When you're taken in the cath lab, it's a wonderful place because they can do a lot of things that, that most people don't even realize that are available today, I'm sure. But they can examine every vein in your heart and everything, right in there. No recheck, everything's good, and they said, this should last you a lifetime. I said, well, thank you very much. When something weird starts to happen, get some attention. Get somebody that knows. If you don't have a family doctor, go to Munroe emergency room and request that you need to see somebody regarding your heart or something like that. Changed my life tremendously. The good Lord had His hand on me. I know He did, or I wouldn't be here. But also the efficient and quick medical attention that I received was excellent, absolutely wonderful.